What's up, guys? Today I got a quick video for you. As you can see, we got a serpentine belt, part number 6PK1735 on a 96 BMW 318i. I'm going to change it out. I've already started the process. So, come down here, we have the tensioner. So it's going to be like that in its rest position. But as soon as you loosen this 13mm bolt, it drops. Therefore, letting you take off this belt, the accessory belt for the AC, and then now you can get a T50 on this after you pop the cover off and then change the belt. So that's what we're going to do here. I'm going to swap the belt out. The tensioner pulley, you'll pop this out with a flathead, and the tensioner pulley will be a T50, and you'll pry it towards the passenger side, so towards this way to the left, and then you could take off the belt and put on the new belt. Let me do that now. There we go, we have it, the T50. Applying tension, and now we can remove the belt. Alright, guys, so here's how you want to do it. I normally put it around the crank pulley first, and you got the power steering, goes up over the alternator, under the idler pulley, over the water pump, and then down underneath the tensioner. And then now you can take out that locking pin, and that thing should fall right into place. I think you gotta relieve the tension with the T50. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to pull that out, but relieve tension with the T50 and then release the pin, and you are all set. There you have it. The pin has been released, and this job is all set. Just start it up, and you should be good to go. And that is it. That'll conclude the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully this helps. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and you'll see more videos coming. That's it.